Hello guys, so today I finally upgraded my soundbar to the V2 soundbar. This is the S50L, which I bought from Walmart in US to Ghana. So join me and let's unbox this wonderful soundbar. So in our box, we have our aux cable, we have our remote control, we also have our wall mounting brackets inside, we have our power adapter, and we also have our manual guide. We also have our mounting screws to mount it on the wall, and this is how our device or our soundbar looks in the box. So let me get these foams out, then remove the rubber so that you can see or you can have a great view of the sound bar. So this is how our soundbar looks outside the box. So this is how elegant it looks. It has a very premium look and premium feel. That you get to know that the items or materials used in making this soundbar is very premium, not that cheap. It's very heavy too. The soundbar is very heavy. That means that you get some quality and large speakers in this soundbar, and I really like how it looks and how it feels when touched. So when we turn at the back, you can see we have our HDMI arc, our optical, we have our USB inputs, auxiliary, and have our COAX. We also have our power adapter button and cord. So comparing both speakers, the one on my right hand is the old one and this is the new one. That's the V2 soundbar, and you can see a ton of difference if you look at the looks and how they feel, the weight and all this stuff. So you know that there's a very huge difference between these two speakers. Now let's replace the old soundbar with the new one to our living room setup. Then we check the buttons on the soundbar. We have the power, the mode, play and pause, minimum and high volume. Looking at our soundbar, we have 6 total speakers in this soundbar. We have 4 front facing, then we have 2 upward firing speakers that will give you that rich and 3D surround sound that you need. We also have our front display, which will show you your USB, which inputs you are putting it, the volume and everything, which will show you on our soundbar. So let's plug in our power adapter and turn on our soundbar so that we can test it out. So after plugging it, you just turn it and you see that there will be a red light indicated that there's power. So we put our batteries into our remote to turn on our soundbar to test it out. So let's fire it up. When you turn it on, you see that the red light will change into a green color. So now it's green color on Bluetooth. So you are pairing it to our Chromecast Google TV. So you see it's connected. The S50L is connected.
Are elite. Just might be the best in any phone out at the moment. Everything's wrapped up in a smooth, shiny, polished. It wasn't until I started writing this video that I remembered the temperature sensor and that it can measure human temperatures now. So yeah, there's that. This is something that I wouldn't mind Google leaving out of the thing.
After testing this speaker out, I can say my 170 bucks is totally worth it. This speaker has a deep bass, incredible dialogue, and also has a great sound when listening to music. And also listening to the news is very enjoyable. So you can get yours now.